I was coming out to my fig tree to kind of take a look at it, and I saw this little praying mantis out here. This guy's a good buddy to have because he goes around eating aphids and killing things that would like to eat on my fig tree. You can see my fig tree's getting bigger. It's kind of like a fig bush right now. It's kind of like a fig bush, but it's about 8 feet tall right now. Just about getting over the fence right there. So it's a nice sized fig tree. This is a turkey fig. It's a fig that can grow in southern climates. And if you'll notice down low, here are some of the figs coming in right in here. Hopefully those will be ripe in a month or so. Looks like this thing's getting happy and healthy. Let's go back around and see if we can see the mantis again. That is a very cool thing to see. One of the good guys. See if I can focus back in whenever I can. There we go. You're gonna look at me? You're gonna smile and look at the camera, Mr. Mantis? You're gonna walk away. Maybe that's a little bit too much, huh? I'm not trying to hurt you. Just trying to check you out. Let's go around here and look down through here and see if we can see him. Yeah, there we go. Pretty cool and groovy.